Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the new song at the beginning of playlist function on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is an ad. And new, click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen. Click to the settings icon. And in the advanced features section, you can find the new songs at the beginning of playlist. When adding songs to playlist, they will go to the beginning of playlist. By default, songs go to the bottom of playlist function. And if you want to enable, just click to the next square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.